I'm thirsty. Oh great, a vending machine. I've better go check it out.
Hey, I was here first.
Sorry, my bad. Well, that didn't work. Oh great, another vending machine. I'd better go check it out again. Wait a minute. Oh, hell no! Hey, sir, you got a permission for that?
No time for you.
You're under arrest.
Okay, so just what is going on here, people?
Man, I just want something to drink.
Now.
My mother is working 24/7 on a 7-Eleven for 11 years.
Dude, you said your mother works at a 7-Eleven, right?
Yes?
Then you should go to a 7-Eleven or a supermarket.
Whoa, that sounds like a great idea. Thank you very much.
No problem, dude. Dude.
Alright guys, so I got a confession to make, and I legally can't go to 7-Eleven because I hit a worker because he didn't give me a special edition Coke because, oh my god, I love Coke. Oh wait, please don't take this out of context. Alright, that's not the point. So that guy told me to go to 7-Eleven or a supermarket, and since I can't go to a 7-Eleven, I'll have to go to a supermarket instead. Supermarket! I'll go! I need a working soda machine! No! There he is, guys! Go get him! Oh yeah, I forgot they died in the explosion. I was going so well too. Wait a minute, what's going on? This thing better work.